welcome to today's vlog. Today is Vlogmas day 18. I'm actually filming this on the 17th, so it'll literally be like film, edit, upload tomorrow. I can't believe it's day 18. I know I say that every single day, but wow, we made it to Florida. I had like a relaxing morning. I got vlog up first and foremost because I didn't get a chance to do that yesterday. I had some breakfast, made a plan for all of our meals this week because we're gonna go to the grocery store right now and get stuff to make dinners this week, and not even a week, we're here for like 4 days, but 5 days, 4 days, I don't know. Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Oh, I went for a walk, I saw a gator, and now we're gonna go, just showered, got ready, and we're gonna go to the grocery store. I'm having a Cliff Bar. Oh my gosh, it's 12:15. I don't know where today's been, where today went, but we're just relaxing, you know? Gotta slow down, take it easy. It's cloudy. I kind of forgot about like sitting at the pool. It's really cloudy right now. This morning it was kind of sunny on my walk, but it's kind of cloudy. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's and Publix. I don't know how the Trader Joe's situation is gonna go. I assume they have lines down here, but also there's 3 of us, so I don't know. Oh, look at the wreath on the gym.
Whoa, why don't I hit the curb?
He's looking at the wreath.
Yeah, I was.
Looks like it could be a putting green.
Yeah, it does.
That's probably like on purpose, right?
They got a tree inside that you can't go in and see.
Oh yeah. We're in Kohl's. What are we here for? I think Mom's trying to send something back, and they have a drop off here or something. I don't really know.
Let me go look over here.
Made the alarm go off. Oh, bye guys. Made it to Trader Joe's. There's a line per usual. I mean, no matter where you go, there's gonna be a line at Trader Joe's. So we're gonna wait. Luckily, it's not 20 degrees out like last time I went to Trader Joe's. So, at Trader Joe's, they're looking at all the cheeses. I got my gluten-free bread. We got veggies. We got fruit. We got cheese. We got salami. Paps is living for the cheese section. I'm gonna find coffee. It's really funny because we're in Florida. Trader Joe's is just universal because it's busy everywhere. Taps and I are coming into Dunkin' Donuts. I'm talking to the vlog.
Okay, to start I need $10, $15 cards.
He's getting gift cards. I'm getting coffee.
I'm gonna have my donut.
Now we're in Publix.
Do you want any rolls for your...
We're so hungry. Gotta get steaks, we gotta get eggs. I think we're gonna buy the whole store. We've already bought all of Trader Joe's, now we're gonna buy all of Publix. Never go grocery shopping hungry. We left at what, like 12:30? It's like 3. Where did the day go? He loves the deal. Buy one, get one free.
Oh, I can't use 2, no way.
Pass.
You never know what they're gonna have.
You do, you never know. Yum.
Look how cute they are.
Oh, they're upside down. Cute. Finally checking out. We just might be able to have lunch before it's dinner time. It's margarita time. Alright, new cups.
Hey, Shaggy.
She was snoring.
Snoring? You were snoring? Did you see my Penn State stuff? Have I got anything new since you were here?
Have I seen any what?
Did I get anything new since you've been here? I think I did.
Your Penn State stuff?
Yeah, I got a bottle of... Did you see the soda? Did I have that?
That Mickey looks new.
Huh? 1982. Think it's any good?
No. You think it's still carbonated?
Look at the top, it's all rusted.
Wait, show the vlog. 1982 Coca-Cola. Look at the top.
And look at the back of the schedule.
Oh, that has their schedule. Oh yeah,
So did you
championship
stop taking
season.
part-
I'm making margaritas. 2 shots of tequila.
I think
Do you want me to use a measure?
that's a short shot. You want the long shot, don't you?
I thought this was 3 ounces and this was 1 ounce.
No, I think this is 2 ounces.
Oh.
What do you want for glasses?
I don't know. Oh, I forgot to. I put the ice in first.
You go in there.
There's ice in there. But I forgot to rim the glasses.
Well, you have to rim the glasses.
I know. How much do I put into this? Enough?
What's it say? Did you read it?
No.
That's only going to fill your glass to about there.
So I should put one.
And you already put that in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Put a little more in. Come here. Come here. Magic.
Am I good or what?
Nice.
My mixology.
Here you go, Mom.
Delicious.
do I
Better
get
than
this
the one we
open?
had the
Huh?
other night.
How do I get this open? Oh.
Am I good or what? Look at that, a perfect pour.
Hey, that was fun. Oh wait, you didn't. Look at us go.
You scare me like it with a knife like your grandmother does.
Why?
The way you hold them and use it.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's way better than the one we had at the airport, sure.
Cheers. Now I'm gonna start cutting up the potatoes. Beans are done. Potatoes are done. That golden potato that got mixed in somehow, it didn't brown up as well as the others.
These are-
Steaks are done. The final product. Hi guys, I just wanted to come on here and end this vlog because I forgot. We literally ate dinner and then honestly I FaceTimed Dylan for like a minute and then watched some YouTube and went to bed. I hope you guys will stick around to today when I'm filming this vlog. That didn't make much sense. Day 19's vlog. Today, I'm just on vacation time, but I'm gonna start today's vlog right now after I finish this. But I wanted to end this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe down below. We're just chilling here. If you wanna see what we're doing in Florida, subscribe down below. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, bye.